Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your 7-Eleven app. All you have to do in the first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here into your found apps, click on it. Come to apps list and here you're looking for 7-Eleven app. Just click on it here. Just click on search. At here 7-Eleven, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, you just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. You search here for 7-Eleven app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.